Throughout the process of building my instructional design module, I utilized the ADDIE model. The ADDIE model serves as a guideline to help create effective instructional tools. The advantages of the model are the dynamics of each step of the process and the ability of receiving continual feedback throughout the creation of the module. The first phase was the analysis phase. During this phase, I set my goals and objectives by coming up with a subject for my module. Once I had my subject, I immediately started jotting down information that I wanted to appear in my module. I then created my design brief. Within this design brief, I planned out my targeted audience, my ending results, laid out my script and music, as well as planned out my videos and created an interactive timeline. As I continued to add content to my design brief, I would get feedback from my peers and instructors, and this brief would change multiple times. I was then able to create my flowchart. This chart was a step-by-step visual representation of the paths, layouts, and directions that my module would flow. The second phase was the design phase. During this phase, I constructed the look and design of my module. I created an interactive wireframe that laid out the way our module would look and flow. The wireframe showed illustrations of the photos, voiceovers, buttons, and designs. The next phase was the development phase. During this phase, my wireframe was finished and I was able to start developing the designs and media content for my module. I created multiple title screens and received feedback from my peers and instructors, which helped me to choose the design of my opening screen. I created my buttons and other media assets, including videos and music. In order to start filming the footage for my videos, I created storyboards for both videos that were created. I planned out the narration and visuals for the videos using scripts and scene shots to ensure an effective flow of the videos. During the implementation phase, I put everything together: the design, the videos, the music, and I packaged my module to be tested. During the evaluation phase, my peers and instructors were the first one to test it out. They completed the survey that gave feedback to the overall capacity of my module. Improvements were made based on the feedback. Other information was gathered based on the demographics of the groups completing the survey, such as sex, gender, and age.